Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfectly crispy onion rings from scratch. First, select large yellow or sweet onions for the best size and flavor. Peel 2 large onions and slice them into half-inch thick rounds. Gently separate these slices into individual rings, setting aside any very small or broken pieces. This careful preparation ensures each ring cooks evenly and gets a beautiful, golden coating. You'll be ready for the next step in no time. Next, we'll create the flavorful batter that gives these rings their incredible crunch. In a medium bowl, combine 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon salt. Whisk in 1 cup of cold club soda or sparkling water until the mixture is smooth and slightly thick. Avoid overmixing. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. This effervescent liquid creates a light, airy texture when fried, making your onion rings truly irresistible. Now it's time to coat our onion rings for frying. Set up a simple dredging station with a bowl of plain flour and your prepared batter. Take each individual onion ring and first dredge it lightly in the plain flour, shaking off any excess. This helps the batter adhere better. Then, carefully dip the floured ring into the batter, ensuring it's fully coated on all sides. Allow any excess batter to drip off briefly before transferring to a wire rack, ready for the fryer. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or deep fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully drop a few battered rings into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful, deep golden brown color and are perfectly crispy. Use a slotted spoon or tongs to gently turn them, ensuring even cooking and a consistent crisp. Once your onion rings are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the oil and place them on a wire rack set over a baking sheet lined with paper towels. This allows excess oil to drain off, keeping them crisp. Immediately sprinkle with a pinch of fine salt or any desired seasoning while they are still hot. Serve these delicious, homemade onion rings immediately with your favorite dipping sauces for an unforgettable snack or side dish. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.